In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send remittance advice to suppliers in Xero. To get started, open Xero and log into your account. Once you are signed in, you will be taken to your dashboard or home screen, depending on your setup. From here, you'll want to head to the top navigation menu, because that's where you can access your purchasing and bill information. At the top of the screen, select Purchases. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that list, choose Bills. This will take you to the Bills section, where you can view outstanding, draft, paid, and partially paid bills. Since remittance advice is connected to a payment, you'll need to open a bill that has already been fully paid or partly paid. Find the correct bill in your list and click to open it. Once the bill is open, look inside the bill details for the payment link. This link will take you directly to the payment information associated with that bill. Go ahead and click it. This is an important step because the remittance advice is sent from the payment record, rather than from the bill overview itself. After opening the payment screen, look for the Options button. Click on it to reveal more actions, then select Send Remittance. This will open the remittance advice window where you can review the email before sending it to the supplier. At this stage, take a moment to check the recipient email address carefully. Make sure it's going to the correct supplier contact. If needed, you can edit the message text as well. This is useful if you want to add a short note, clarify what the payment relates to, or make the message sound a little more personal and professional. Just keep your wording clear and concise, so the supplier can quickly understand the purpose of the email. When everything looks correct, click Send. Xero will then email the remittance advice to the supplier, helping them match the payment with the bill you've paid. This can be a helpful step for keeping supplier communication organized and reducing confusion around incoming payments. And that's all it. Thanks for watching.